got hot dogs and shit. Cliff bars. It's crazy.
Bunch of Cliff Bars, some fish bait because we're trying to catch trout.
Right here at Boss's store. Liquor propane deli.
You know.
You know. Boss man. But Boss man wasn't in today. Else I would have had him say what's good to the camera. No. Yeah, it is. We could swim here. We can literally swim right here.
Look at this. Totally safe.
This is like our own jacuzzi.
It's totally safe. This is what we're doing tomorrow. We're getting high and drunk and chilling.
God, dude. This is gonna be fucking lit, bro.
We're gonna time lapse of just
Dude, we're gonna be chilling so hard tomorrow.
We'll have to climb in from right there. It'll be slippery.
We'll be able to do it. Worst thing that happens is we fall in there, but I think it's kind of deep, so we'll be okay.
But we'll leave all of our shit up here. Because now we know.
Oh, this is so sick.
This is the best fucking spot. We could put our tent right here.
Should we camp here? Should we fucking camp here and wake up here?
Wake up to this? I think we have to. What's your tent?
We got the camp set up, got the grill cooking stuff. All set?
Take a look. Take a look in there.
Look at this casa. Phew! How you do it?
Just fishing. All I claim is fishing. Oh! Alright, we got to cast out again. Nailed that drop shot. Definitely gonna get the fish's attention with that one. Probably catch me a trout.
Trout.
Did you catch anything when you went back to?
We're out here.
We're out here. We just made a fire. You can hear the water behind us. That's because we're in a beautiful spot next to a little creek on the side of the road in an undisclosed location over here by Shaver Lake, California.
I don't even think you can see you on here. You can't, barely.
I got you. I'll light myself up. Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Brendan, and I'm Jordan's personal photographer, and we're out here today camping, backpacking almost. Not really. We only hiked like 30 feet from the car, but you know what? That's okay, because it's really about just having a good time.
We out here taking hella good pictures. Got it going good. Got the fire on. Ew!
You'd love to see it.
You'll love to see it.
making hot dogs right now. And they're probably going to be delicious because we're doing the old fire method instead of the propane method.
Good morning. We out here in the wilderness. You love to wake up to it.
You love to see it every morning.
What's up, bud?
What's up, dude? Welcome to my house. This is where I've been living. Feel right there.
Oh my god, that's so hard.
Feel right here.
Oh my god.
Feel it. Feel it. It's like a rock.
That's a fucking rock, dude.
So I slept here and not there. It was good. It's chilling here. It's pretty nice now.
Pretty nice. You gotta open up some windows, open that flap, bro. It's gonna get hot in here.
Drink water. Stay clear and copious.
Clear and copious. Drink water! And recycle. Woo! Right, we're going in. Oh my god. Sandy right here. Ready? It's fucking beautiful. Beautiful.
You feeling it?
Oh, that felt so fucking refreshing, dude.
You awake now?
Like, it feels so fucking good. Oh, I'm not even cold. It ain't even that cold.
So you're gonna be the one taking pictures in the spot then, because I'm not getting.
You know, I'm used to it, baby. Fucking Tahoe water, straight snow water. You know? Getting good shots right here in the spot with the chair. I already went in the waterfall. I took some good shots, and then I jumped off to this little hole down there. There's a little hole down there that I fucking jumped off into. We're gonna get some more shots. Fuck yeah. Woo! You love to see it.
Lay back! Lay back! Lay back! So, Jordan threw the chair underwater. That's okay.
Ready?
Oh yeah. Now dive! Dive, boy! What a man. You do what you do for the business.
Getting used to it.
Subscribe to Liebots.
Jordan James.
Jordan James.
There's my fan.
We work hard for this shit, alright?
Cook up the hot dogs. You absolutely love to see it. We're about to fucking take a swing right now. Woo! You fucking love to see it. You! Day 2 of hot dogs. We got recess. And marshmallows and other shit.
The hot dogs are 2 different colors, look. We haven't figured out why, but we're gonna eat them.
I mean, we ate them earlier, so.
I've definitely just killed her. Now her just corpses. And you're next. You're next.
You love to see it.
God, that looks good.
Absolutely love to see it.
Is the sunset coming up?
Sunrise.
What's going on right there?
Sunrise.
Hard already this early.
Sunrise. Yeah, you already know. Day in the life.
Day 2.
Day 2. Got a lot of work done yesterday, so we're gonna take a hike today to the beach. What's the claim?
We're probably gonna get wet and sunburned.
That's the claim. But I got sunscreen and aloe vera, so I'm gonna put it on. They don't know where we're at. We're at the spot.
We're at the spot right now, and we're allowed to be here for all you know.
We're going to
the spot.
Eagle Lodge. We'll just call it Eagle Lodge.
We're going to Eagle Lodge right now. We're going to the medic because we need to learn how to stay hydrated.
Because all we got out here is this coffee.
I had this half a bottle of water.
You'll love to see it.
There's an osprey nest right there. You could probably record it. Big osprey right there flapping its wings. That osprey nest has been there for 2 years now. It's a permanent settlement for those birds.
Oh.
Should have brought it easy up and a table.
Were you gonna hike that shit in here? I was gonna say let's bring the cooler, but are you gonna hike that shit in here? I'm risking it. I'm risking it all right now. Doesn't even have a battery cover. Perfect throw. And you'll love to see it.
It's not even new yet.
We ain't even had breakfast yet.
We didn't even eat anything to do. We decided to hike out here 2 miles.
Anyone could do it. You just got to make the sacrifice.